Welcome back to my channel, guys. So if you forgot, I'm Marin and today we'll look thoroughly to our new strategy. So zigzag, moving average, and Williams. So let's see. The main, of course, character will be the last indicator. And I will tell you about it in today's session. So if you're interested, please stay. I hope that you will like this session. So we are starting today from $14, and well, the Williams indicator shows that the relative position of the closing price at the highs and lows of a period of time, and provides the information on whether the price of an asset is currently in a strong or weak trend. First of all, I want to make a trade right over here, and then we will watch what is the indicator in details. First pair, let's see the whole situation. Pretty volatile. Pretty big waves are here on our eyes, and right now watching the zigzag, we are here with the kind of downfall of the price, not really rapid. Williams is showing us that the line, yes, is going back to the corridor, and what I can say right over here. So yes, $14 in my investment box already, and I will check the situation with put option. So guys, I'm here with my first profit. It's $26 in my balance, and yes, you see Williams indicator was showing me that yes, the line is going back to the corridor right now. It is going to touch the level of minus 50. So that's because we are working with the last two candlesticks, and also moving average show me yes that the price is changing, and it is a good example of using this combination of indicators. So let's see what I will have in my next currency pair and what is the Williams indicator. So the Williams indicator is a common tool used to identify overbought and oversold markets, as well as to identify potential and trend reversals. The indicator has a range of values from minus 100 to 0, with overbought and oversold thresholds set as minus 20 and minus 80 respectively. If the indicator value is above minus 20, it means that the market is overbought, my prices may fall in the future. So conversely, a value below minus 80 indicates that the market is oversold and prices may rebound in the future. So the settings and working process is pretty easy, but as with any other indicators, Williams need to be studied, and every trader needs to know about that. Okay, so if you are a beginner, of course this tool will be not the easiest one, to be really honest. If I tell you that now I'm giving you your first rewards from trading it's $1,000, will you follow my steps? I believe that you will do. So now, please keep your attention, because the source I'm sharing with you is actually a key for your reward. I'm sharing with you the real-time trading signals on my Telegram channel, so all of you can gain this $1,000 just in a few hours of trading and a few clicks. Trades which I'm sharing give up to 9% of profit, so with even $100 you can gain your $1,000 easily. Remember, who doesn't try never gets. So don't waste this opportunity. Follow my Telegram channel, link you will find in the description, and see you there. After some searching and studying, you will have opportunity to work with it also. So we are working with the downfall of the price. Let's see. I will change my investment box like $26 in my new investment, and I will check the situation with put option. Yes guys, new profit again, $40 in my balance. And as you see, first of all, I was just going with the trend thanks to my combination indicators. Okay, so zigzag is showing me that the trend in the last 30 minutes is going down pretty rapidly. So moving average is also showing us that the trend is under the indicator, and also Williams indicator is showing that the line is in oversold area. So right now it is going to cross the level of -80. That's because we are dealing with this green candlestick. So let's see, let's go to the next currency pair. We're here with the interesting situation. After cool downfall of the price, we're here with like bounce of the price. But anyway, the situation is going down, and anyway, let's see the whole situation. Like looking at zigzag, we're having pretty cool waves on the picture. And let's see, I will change my investment box to like $41 and check the situation with put option. So guys, you see I'm here with my cool profit. I'm really happy about it because it was kind of a risky situation, but I'm happy that we made it. And thanks to our, of course, combination of indicators, moving average showed me the trend is under the signal line. And also Williams, when the trade was going, was showing me that the line is in overbought area. We just was in time with our 1 minute time expiration. Sometimes it is about luck also. So let's see what I will have in my next pair. So 89% of payout, and before our next trade I will talk about principles and characteristics of the Williams indicator. So the indicator like evaluates overbought and oversold conditions. So the indicator does this by comparing the difference between the last high and low price. So with the difference between the current price and the last high price. So generally when the market is rising, this corresponds to a higher value of the Williams indicator. However, when the market turns bearish, the indicator also falls. So Williams value about 20% is usually considered as an overbought signal, indicates a possible pullback or correction. On the other hand, a value below -80 is usually considered an oversold signal and indicates that a rally or rebound is imminent. So right now we are working with the downfall of the price. The situation looking at Williams indicator. So it's in the oversold area, but you see rapidly the line is going up. It is trying to touch the level of -80. We will see whether it will work out or not in our next 1 minute trade. Let's check our investment box, $74, and I will go and check the situation with the call option. So guys, I'm here with my 1 minute time expiration. Thanks to that with my new profit, and yes, you see the overall situation is bearish, but thanks again to our 1 minute expiration and 1 minute for candlestick, and the situation worked on our pleasure and we gain our money. Also, Williams is showing us that the price went up a little bit, and right now I think yes, the situation is still going up. We need to give it some time, of course. So let's have a moment in our like next currency pair. So So I think it will be the New Zealand dollar and Japanese yen. So, and what about characteristics of the Williams indicator? So the first one is particularly suitable for short-term trading. The Williams indicator is often used for short-term trading as it gives a quick indication of market movements. As you see, yes, we are working with the 1 minute time expiration, and also if you want to know more about how you can trade in short term trading, you can go of course to my Telegram channel, of course. Like there I share information like which very useful with my own free signals, which is very nice. So right now we are working with the downfall of the price in the last two candlesticks, and anyway we're here with the developing rise of the price. So anyway, let's see what we'll have. So new investment in my investment box, it's all in, and I will check the situation with collapse. Yes, guys, you see that new profit in my pocket, and you see thanks to Williams moving average zigzag combination. So I'm here with the clear call option. You see Williams indicator was about the level of minus 50. Moving average also was showing us that the trend is changing its move, and yes, considering all signals and features, I was just right with my call option in 1 minute. Let's go to our next currency pair, and the next point of characteristic of our newest indicator will be that it reflects market psychology. The indicator can be used to determine if the market is experiencing extreme fear or greed. And generally, a value between minus 80 and minus 100 indicates that the market is fearful, while a value between 0 and minus 20 is generally considered a sign of excessive optimism in the market. So let's see, and right now Williams indicator is showing us that the line is going rapidly down after these dodgy red candlesticks, I think. And well, let's see. The situation is still considering moving average line is going up, but the situation is changing, and let me see. $258 in my investment box, and I will check the situation with put option. So I'm here with my new profit, and thanks to my combination indicators again, and you see when it was going, we are working with the downfall of the price. So right now the situation is changing, and yes, I was just tried, there was two ways where we go up and down. Okay, but thanks to my Williams indicator, it shows me that the situation in the next 1 minute will go down. It was just in time when the average was shown at the same thing. Anyway, we are working. If we look at the whole history with the bearish movements, really cool. Let's see what I will have in the next currency pair. In the first one, we are working with it again, and if we look closely, the line of Williams are chilling in our bottom area right now. And what I can say, let's change our investment box to like $490, so 95, I think dollars. Yes, it will be enough. And before I will start my next trade, I will go with a point number 3. The Williams indicator plays our board and our sell signals. An indicator above minus 20 is usually interpreted as an overbought signal and indicates that traders may sell or take a short position. When the indicator is below minus 80, it is an oversold signal and indicates that one can start buying or taking in low positions. I know that I said that before, but it is the base of knowledge of this indicator. That's because I will mention it several times to you to remember this feature. So my investment box is ready and I will go with the call option. So guys, I'm here with my new profit, and you see we are working with the trend first of all, and also we are working with good signals from moving average and Williams indicator. So you see the signal line of Williams indicator is still in the hour bought area. Moving average line is showing us that the trend is above the signal line, and zigzag is showing us also the move of the trend, and it is rising. Let's see what I will have in the next currency pair, of course. So the next 2 points are that this indicator, am I talking about Williams indicator? It is like easy to use. This indicator calculation method is simple and straightforward, allowing traders to quickly determine the market sentiment and versatility. The Williams indicator can be used in a variety of markets, including cryptocurrencies, stocks, features, and currencies. Today I'm using currencies. And yes, if you like this indicator, please tell me. I will use it more often in my videos, and I will talk about it more in detail for you to know more. So $910 in my investment box, and I will check the situation with put option. So I'm here with my first $1,000, so I'm really happy about it, like really happy. So you see we're working with, first of all, with the trend, and also after these cool picks for the prices. So let me see, yes, they are, we are working with the hour sold area in Williams indicator. Also, moving average is showing us that the trend is going down and the zigzag is doing the same thing. You know what? I want to double my sum. That's because I will find the next good entry point, and I think there it is. And what I can say, let me check the situation also. So $1,620 in my investment box, and I will check the situation with call option. So guys, it's $3,000 in my account, and I think we need to stop right over here. I'm really happy about this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like leave a comment down below, please. I'm really looking forward to your comments, whether you like this new strategy, this new indicator or not. It's very important also for me. And also subscribe to my Telegram channel, of course, where I share very useful information about trading, and when I share my own free signals, which is pretty cool. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, and watch my previous videos, and we'll meet there. Bye.